Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to open Logitech G Pro at Superlight 2. So let's start. So let's go to the first step is prepare your mouse for disable. So we have here the mouse and that is how you can do it. Slide the mouse and power switch down in the off. Okay, so unplug all cables from your mouse and plug the mouse. So now you have to remove the feet. So you have to remove it, and then the step 3, you have to the feet have two layers, reverse and one adhesive under one. So carefully slide the point as pucker under the circular foot, making sure it goes under both the foot and the adhesive pad. So now let's go to the number 4, and then you have to peel up and remove the foot, and if a rubber layer separates from the adhesive pad, use the same process. Now the step 5 is repeat the last 3 steps, remove remaining feet. And now resemble information, so you have to use the poker carefully, spray pop and remove any remaining adhesive bits. And now you have to separate the shells, as you can see. And now you have to gently pull up the bottom shells part. And step 3, set up your mouse down in the bottom shell workspace and tap the chill flipper. So that is how it looks. And then you have to disconnect the shield cables, like in the picture. And then you have to flip the top shell into the mouse and let the rest to partially hanging over. The number 3 is insert each arm of per angle twister into the top of the cutouts to the right edge and battery connector. So you have to check here how it looks. And then we have 3 is twister the grip battery connector to pull straight and pull up socket. Now you have the shell separate, and that is how it looks. Remove the tear from bottom shell. So that is how you can open your Logitech G Pro. As you can see, it's not difficult, but you have to be carefully about how to do it, so you can check the steps slowly and do it with calm. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.